you're 20 and acting like a 20-year-old, so you addressed life as you are and fixed yourself accordingly, and that you talked a lot about. I feel how important is it for people to also realize, okay, they're this age and they can't be living the life that they used to live, and they need to let some things completely eliminate from their lives in order to have the next 20 years a little more healthy. How difficult, and you meet people from all around the world, how difficult is that in an Indian context for people?
Of course, first of all, you can't be delusional about yourself,
Right.
Financially, emotionally, financially, physically, you can't be delusional. The people, what happen most of the time, they get delusional. वो अपने आप को ज़्यादा
push
करते हैं sometimes. So you have to push. Obviously, you have to raise the bar constantly. You have to keep on pushing. So you have professionals, first of all, who can, who are there to take care of you, and so you have to find the right person. For me, what I have done is, where the health is concerned, which I don't know if I've shared with you, but I would like to share where health and where food is concerned, which is what is, I don't even, blink an eyelid if someone needs anything. It might cost whatever I can afford. I can go and I'll do it. First, my priority will be that. If someone wants to buy something which is, something which I feel is not necessary, I said that can wait. That can wait. So for me, I feel that's very, very important to whatever capacity you can afford to. But the first priority should be have the best where health is concerned and what you consume every day, because that's very important. Because obviously there are things which satisfy your taste buds, but which are healthy. They cost a little bit more.
Yeah.
So rather you spend on that rather than buying a bag or an outfit, or buying a car or a piece of jewelry or another property, or any luxury.
Prioritize.
So prioritize that. So that's what we have prioritized in our family. That if there's anything, I don't even flinch an eyelid, and I said go ahead and do that. So that's the most important thing. And of course, hiring a professional. And of course, but I feel इतना ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि यार ये बंद कर दो, वो बंद कर दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो.
आप दोनों ने ये बहुत अच्छा किया है.
वो नहीं किया है. You see, because it's an investment which is of years. Overnight, that's what every time I tell everybody. I said, don't go hysterical, don't go berserk doing now. You'll not be able to do that. Don't diet so much. Don't exercise so much. Can you do this continuously forever?
Yeah.
Can you, and you, why are you going mad drinking so much? Yeah? Why are you eating so much? Or why are you, extreme?
Right.
I said, just divide. Even in your career, in your profession, you burn yourself out. You have to completely think as a marathon. Your life, your career, your health.
You're in the marathon business.
It's a marathon.
Right.
It's not a 100-meter dash.
Right. Great.
Yeah.
Right. And ma'am, for you, have you had any friends who've always been super unfit and then suddenly rebooted their life? Have you had that phase? Because that's a big cultural thing in our country also. We put so many years into work and building careers, and there's no 9 to 5 anymore in India. That doesn't exist really. So people, the number one complaint everybody has is, I don't have any time, man, I'm so tired. Have you had anybody who's just rebooted their life, and when did you really started getting attentive about your health?
As you grow old, you realize कि गाड़ी से उतरते वक्त उस तरह से नहीं उतरते, अब धीरे से दरवाजा खुलता है, धीरे से उतरते हैं.
तो हॉरर फिल्म बना दी आपने.
So शरीर आपका बता रहा है भैया थोड़ा धीरे चलो. अब वैसा
कैमरा नजर आए फास्ट. कैमरामैन.
कई बार और मुझे लगता है जिस प्रोफेशन में मैं हूँ उसकी वजह ने भी मुझे हेल्प किया है. That I have to be fit. When I see some of, I'm sorry to say, my classmates from school and college.
School reunions में क्या होता है?
मुझे तब दिखता, जब उनको देखती हूँ मुझे लगता है, oh God, I'm so old, because they have not looked after themselves.
Right.
Because बच्चे बड़े हो गए, पति कहीं जाएगा भी तो ठीक है, नहीं जाएगा तो ठीक है, तो अब चलता है, बच्चे ठीक रहने चाहिए, है ना? और उसके अलावा मेरा कुछ है नहीं, एम्बिशन नहीं, कुछ नहीं है. तो मोटे होते हैं, होने दो। लद्दड़ एक वर्ड होता है हिंदी में, है तो होने दो। मैं भी शायद वैसी हो जाती अगर इस प्रोफेशन में ना होती शायद। सो आई डोंट नो, बट आई फील, यू नो, आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू बी ओल्ड। आई फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड पीसफुल। मेरे को लगता है कितनी चीजें नहीं करने की जरूरत, किसी और को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए मेहनत नहीं करनी, यू नो। कोई इतनी बड़ी एम्बिशन नहीं है कि उसमें लगे रहो। आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल। थोड़ा सा फैट है तो चलता है यार, बट कंफर्टेबल हूँ। उठने बैठने में दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए। और अच्छे कपड़े पहनने का शौक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अच्छे कपड़े पहनने का शौक है तो शरीर मोटा होगा तो अच्छे कपड़े नहीं पहनेंगे, तो फिर सिर्फ डिजाइनर ग्लासेस या शूज ही ले सकते हैं, मतलब।
Gee, have you been? How has Ensure been sort of helping you? I've been having some of the stuff that they've made. It's beautiful. The cold coffee stuff is yum. So, how do you think that really would help? Would it help kickstart life and just help people also who've not been into fitness their whole life?
I think for people who have not been into fitness, it will help because doctors also say sometimes when like people, especially to women, they should have calcium, more calcium, and vitamin D. And things like that. So I think these kind of things help. That's why they are made, and even the doctors say that you should take some supplements like that.
Right, sir. So what about you, sir? Have you been using Ensure and just enjoying the...
I think it's very, very, I think it really helps because somewhere, you know, you constantly cannot keep on having, you know, solid food.
Yeah.
So sometimes just a quick little drink, it really helps. And sometimes mostly when I'm shooting, or when I have long hours and I just want to keep on, you know, revitalizing and feeling fresh, these things really, really, really help. Yeah, these kind of 100%. Yeah,
absolutely. And you both, there's a little time for Ensure usage.
We'll ensure they have it.
Yeah, you're ensuring. We'll ensure they'll have Ensure. Is great. Guys, thank you so much for this wonderful conversation. Thank you all very much. And to sum up this extremely interesting, thought-provoking discussion, I agree. I think a lack of strength is really not an excuse anymore. Each and every one of us need to make sure that our parents are really energetic and healthy in order for them to sort of achieve their dreams. At this point in time, we're also going to be opening the floor to any media questions, but also I'd like to invite Dr. Shweta Rastogi, who is a renowned clinical dietitian, to join us on stage. And of course, I'd request Amal back on stage, please. Could we have a round of applause for them? Thank you. And just get 2 chairs. Yes. Oh, they put them there. Ma'am, is there a chair for you? Yeah. Before we open it up, guys, there's a proper. So, sir, photo op ka opportunity abhi aane wala hai. Ek baar panel discussion kar लो. आगे बढ़ने से पहले, ma'am, I'd just like to ask you, as you are a nutritionist, what is the connection between nutrition and strength, and how does this change as we start growing older? How much more important does it get?
See, nutrition and strength is like 2 wheels of your life. Or you can say it's the balance in your life. If we do not eat well and if we do not exercise, we just do not get that integrity. So both the things are important in our lives. If we do not eat well, we are not going to get our proteins and certain nutrients. See, protein is still not a very big concern because we are still getting it. But my concern mostly as a clinical practitioner is, what about the vitamins? When we check the...
Sorry. My question, I am Sanjay. My question is to Mr. Anil Kapoor and Mrs. Neena Gupta. Actually, I am also almost reaching the age of 50. My question is to both of you is that at the age of 50 or plus, 45 plus, actually when your children are almost at the grown-up stage, when you decide to fulfill your unfulfilled dreams, actually, how do you ensure that your dreams of your career and marriage of your children don't get diluted? And still you take care of those dreams as well as try to fulfill your dreams, unfulfilled dreams of your childhood.
Again, Neena will answer because either I'm 45, either I'm 50.
Okay. I'm probably just 2 months elder to you.
For me, you're a young boy.
Thank you. Ma'am, if you can just let me...
कुछ नहीं, आंसर ये है कि एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है बस। वो भी ड्रीम भी फुलफिल हो जाते हैं और बच्चों की शादियां भी हो जाती है, बच्चों की देख रेख भी हो जाती है, एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है बस।
हाय रिया एंड मसाबा, मेरा सवाल आपसे है। आपके लेफ्ट में स्पीकर की तरफ हूँ, बस आप सुन लें मुझे, मेरा नाम आलोक है।
ओह सर, वाह।
मेरा सवाल है कि क्या ऐसे सपने हैं या क्या ऐसी चाह है नीना जी की या अनिल कपूर साहब की जो रिया या मसाबा पूरा करना चाहते हैं, या उनसे कभी पूछा है कि अभी भी वो कौन से ड्रीम्स हैं जो आप दोनों एज अ डॉटर्स पूरा करना चाहते हैं?
You know, I think that it's very funny, but I was just literally just having this discussion last night. But apart from my career and my fitness level, my father has never had. I think my father's biggest dream for me is that I have a six-pack. You know, I still remember I used to come back from college and I used to be like, Dad, like, this is my GPA. He used to look at me and he used to be like, just be fit, beta. Just, like, there would be no, like, I would come back and I would, like, I used to rank in school and I was a full-on, like, I was studious and everything. There was no reaction at all. And kabhi aisa nahi hua ki, you know, beta shaadi kar lo, ya, you know, never, not even once. I said, you know, I said, Dad, how do you feel? Like, Sonam and I, like, we're going to get married soon, I think. Like, you know, it happens, right? I said, don't be so dated, beta. You're so outdated. You're so old-fashioned, you know? And he's just never put any pressure. He just says, work hard and just make a fantastic body. That's my father's major dream for me. So I feel like I'll think about fulfilling the
Health is, you know, health is the
six-pack
wealth.
part of
It's
it,
not
I
the
just love
six-pack,
food.
but it's just, if you're healthy, you're happy. You know, life is fantastic. It's beautiful. Absolutely, you can, all these your personal ambitions, your professional ambitions will be fulfilled if you're feeling healthy and feeling good about yourself. वो कब करना है, क्या करना है, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा यार. टेंशन नहीं लेने का उसका. Don't take stress. Don't
He
take
just
stress.
says that, like, if you're looking great, you've won. You already defeated them.
For me, it's actually been a little different because my mom sacrificed a large part of her life to bring me up and, make sure that I wasn't feeling neglected or, my whole life went in a very normal way. So for me, now, because I remember when she used to come home, there used to be this fight between me and my grandfather because both of us wanted to spend time with her. And she used to come home from like a 12-hour work day and we'd sit with her and fight and say, I'll speak to her first or whatever. And I feel like, now when I look back and she tells me sometimes that should I go back to work and or should I, start working again, or should I at least do something with my time because now she's not doing much. I keep telling her that she needs to do something because I keep telling her that she can't let her creativity just sit at home. She's somebody who I think really did a lot of great work back in the day. And that's one dream I have for her. That, I think we had this discussion 3-4 days back that don't sit at home. Even if you sit at home, work from home. Or, don't make your life just about eating and drinking. Vada pav you can have, but that's okay. You know what I mean? Eat vada pav, but at least write something while you're eating it. You know what I mean? What? You know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean.
One episode. So, so I feel like that's my biggest dream for her because when I was a child, she used to tell me no matter what happens to you, work. No matter where you are, at what point in your life, you have to work. You have to have an individual, independent life away from your parents, from your husband, from your kids tomorrow. And like I said, it's funny that this walking thing has become a thing here, but that's something she used to tell me. Right. She used to take me to Juhu Beach and I used to cry, but she used to say, it'll save you later. Your body will thank you later. And, obviously I did a lot of things that she didn't want me to do, which is why I'm scared to hit 40, like I said. But, I think the two things that I wish for her is one, health, and that she always, always works. Yeah.
There's a lady here who's been waiting to ask a question quite a few times.
Is it necessary that the size matters? Because I think that I am healthy and perfect and I can run a marathon 10 kilometers and I can cook for my 28 cancer kids within 1 hour. Is that size matters?
Health matters, not size. Health. If you are feeling healthy, you can be as
I
big.
feel like there's so many
Doesn't
really
matter.
skinny people who are not healthy, you know,
Yeah.
who will be panting
Yeah.
when they
Oh, yeah, that's a great
one
point.
flight
There are
of
very
stairs.
sick people, some
I've
very
seen
skinny
women
people.
who are bigger who have run marathons, like you said, or who can kill me in the gym. You know what I mean? So it's not got anything to do with size.
Thank you.
I keep on telling my wife, yeah, you're looking so beautiful. No, I put on weight. Looking even better. This is what I love about you. Yeah. This is
See,
fantastic.
weight is something which you are definitely finding it on the machine. But most important thing is fitness. See, never ever aim for a perfect figure or ideal body weight, which people keep doing it. And we always tell them that you are a person. You have to see from where you started, and fitness is the most important thing in life. That you rightly said.
Thank you so much. I've just got one, because Amal, you're the only representative here at this point in time from the corporate world.
Sure.
Where the number one complaint is I don't have any time, or I can't keep up, I got too many things. You're always on your checking mails. How have you been able to strike a balance and keep fit?
Okay, so we have long working hours.
Yeah.
So it's one thing is important about finding time. So I exercise about 5 times a week. I try to run cumulative about 35 odd kilometers in a week. I love my vada pav and meeta. I can assure you that. But and of course, balancing with right nutrition. So it's very regimented exercise and nutrition. Because that's, as Anil said, and it makes you feel good. You know,
Right.
after you have that exercise, the energy that you feel, how refreshed you feel, you can go with a lot of positivity and concentrate much better in what you want to do.
Right. I mean, it's been a great chat. I also feel it's suddenly, just through this chat, it's prioritized what your life's all about.
Vada pav.
Vada pav.
And meeta.
Somewhere there's Vada pav watching this right
it
now
on the
who's
menu
crying.
somewhere?
It's never gotten so much footage in its life. It's like nobody talked about me before like this. It's been given a lot of love. But I want to thank you all so much. And of course, the audience who've been really gracious. And also to give your parents the strength to chase their dreams, guys, please visit www.livenonstop.in to further understand what all can be done. But thank you all so much. And we come to the end of this wonderful event. And hopefully, we'll be really happy if you could all join us for lunch. So thank you all so much, and a huge round of applause. Yes, yes. Have a good night.
इसी की तो वेट कर रहा था मैं. फोटो आपका होगा.
We're gonna just